Before you begin, remove the side panel, the optical drive if installed, the front bezel, the hard disk drive. Note, you don't need to remove the hard disk drive from the drive cage, the fan duct, and the fan and heatsink assembly. Removal. Gently press down the CPU load lever, and then push it to the side, away from the CPU socket, to allow it to rise to the spring-loaded position. Grasp the edges of the CPU and carefully remove it from its socket on the motherboard. Replacement. Note, identify the golden triangle on the corner of the chip assembly and the golden triangle on the socket on the motherboard by the mark on the corner of the socket stencil. Hold the CPU over its socket in the motherboard and align the golden triangle at the corner with the corresponding triangle marked on the motherboard. Carefully place the CPU into its socket on the motherboard. Push the CPU load lever down and then sideways to secure the CPU.